Hey everybody, I'm just doing a quick video today showing you how to get a white space around your text when you're putting text over top of a pattern. Um, like I'm going to make a set of coasters with this bee, uh, the bee honeycomb and the bees on it, and I want to put some text on it, but I want it to show up well. I want the text to pop. You can see here I have it. I have text over this pattern here, and while it's there and you can read it, it doesn't really pop at you because the pattern is kind of overpowering. But over here, we have this white space around it, and that makes it a lot nicer. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. Over here, I have my pattern, and I have my text that I want to use. So the first thing we're going to do is select our text and go over to the left-hand side and click on the offset shapes. Now make sure it's set to outward, rounded, and have outer shapes only selected. And once you have the size you want, you can go bigger, you can go smaller. It's completely up to you. When you have it the size you want, just click OK. And now you can remove that offset from your text. And just to make this easier to work with, I like to make my offset a line or score line or cut line instead of the engraved fill. So I'm going to take this line, I'm going to put it right up here on top of my pattern. Then I'm going to select both the pattern and the shape I just put in there. I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to click on the bullseye, and that just centers everything nice for you. Once that's done, select your offset inside the pattern and either hit Control D on your keyboard to duplicate it, or you can right click and it will also duplicate. Once you have that duplicated and your copy is selected, hold down your Control key and click on the pattern. So you have both the pattern and that offset that we put in there selected. Then you can go up to Tools and go to Boolean Assistant or hit Control B on your keyboard. And now in here, you're just going to go through and see which one gives you the outcome you want. And in my case, it's going to be the subtract B from A. Just go through the different ones until you get the look you want. Once you have it, select OK. And now you have that white space. Now you can take your text, slide it up in there, and you have that nice white area around the text. Now you can either get rid of your outline completely, so all you have is the text and your pattern, or you can leave it and just make that a score line. And I think I like to leave it because it just highlights the text a little bit better. But that's completely up to you. It's personal preference. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get that white space, the offset around the text. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below. And I will see you next time.